Hey there, welcome back. Friends, in our last video we have created this form. Now friends, in this video we will try to understand how to handle the information submitted from this form inside the servlet. Now friends, in this video we are talking about file handling, right? Now in order to handle the file, we will definitely make use of one of the classes which is available inside our commons library, which is servlet file upload. And we will give the object name as upload maybe. Let us create the object of servlet file upload. Now inside the constructor we need to pass on a new constructor, and it would be of type disk file item factory. Now the reason why we are making use of disk file item factory, because we will be storing information directly on our file system. Alright. Now once this is done, there is a small little catch in our form itself. This form is capable of uploading multiple files at once. So we can multi-select multiple items and we can upload all of them simultaneously. And the reason why this functionality is available to us is we are making use of commons file upload jar, and moving forward, if we check our index.jsp file, in here we have added the option of multiple in here. As a result, we can select multiple items. Now if we make use of multiple attribute in here, then definitely we will get a list of items, list of files, and we need to handle things accordingly. Now friends, if we remove this multiple attribute from this particular form, then on the servlet part we will handle it using file item only. The handling part would be little different, but in our case we will create a list of file item. Let us give the name of this list as images maybe, and in here we need to parse the request using the upload object. So it would be like upload dot parse request, and that's it. Alright, let me add in the required imports. Alright, let me expand this as well. Now friends, this is cool, but if we hover upon this line, then it throws an exception. So let us quickly surround this with try catch. Alright, now friends, we need to traverse this particular list. So we will make use of a for each loop. So it would be like file item image colon images. Alright, and inside this list we will simply try to print the name of the image. So it would be like sysout, and we will print the information which is nothing but image dot get name. Alright, so this looks good to me. And now if I traverse back, refresh this page, let me click on browse, let me upload an image, and let me show you the console. Here we go. So the name in fact has been printed successfully, but somehow we are getting the complete path. We will talk about this path issue, why we are getting the complete path, in a minute, but let me show you one small little thing. By clearing the console, we can again select multiple images. In here there are multiple images, in total 8 images, and if we upload all of them, the list will contain all of these images, which is perfect. Now friends, when it comes to Windows and when it comes to Mac OS or Linux, things are a little different. In here we are calling in this get name method, but we are getting the complete path. Now this is the case when we make use of Windows, but we will only get the name when it comes to Linux. Now how to handle this scenario? We simply need the name. In order to handle this scenario, we have to handle this thing using the string manipulation methods, right? So in here, let me again do something special in here. First of all, we will add a string variable in here. The name would be, for example, name, and we will initialize this name using this particular part. Alright, and then we will manipulate a couple of things. Now if we check the path, there are slashes, and these slashes are important. What we need to do, we need to remove this particular part, right? We need to remove the information which is before this particular slash. So what is the key in here? We need to search the index for the last slash, and the way is very simple. In here we can type in name dot last index of, and we can send in the string, and the string would be slash, right? Now there is again a catch. Whenever we would like to add in a single slash in Java, we need to make use of double slash, right? If I make use of a single slash, there would be an error. Here is the error, insert missing quote, right? So we need to add what? We need to add multiple slash and our work would be done. Whenever we would like to get a single slash, always make use of two slashes and your work would be done. Now we get the index of this last slash, which is cool. Now we need to remove the information before this last slash, including the slash. The answer is again very simple. We will type in name equals name dot substring, and the begin index would be this particular part. And we need not to worry about the end index, that's optional in fact. And now let us print the name. Now definitely we will get the name along with a slash. Alright, so now let me navigate to this page. Let me refresh this page couple of times, and now let me browse couple of images and open these and upload them on our servlet, and let's check whether we get the names or not. And here are the names. Perfect. So we are getting the names, and this is cool enough, cool stuff, but the name also starts with this particular slash. So in order to fix that, we will simply like add 1 to this, right? And again let me navigate here, refresh the form, let me clear the console, let me arrange things a little. Here we go. And let me add in couple of images again, let me upload them, and here are the names. Perfect. Now friends, there is a yet another catch. For example, we execute this code on Linux, then definitely this line will cause trouble and our application will crash. As a result, let us enclose this in between try catch block. Alright, so this is good enough. Now this application is okay. This will work on Linux as well as Windows based system. If we execute on Linux based system, this line will not get executed. There would be an exception, but on Windows based system, our statement will get executed and we will able to like get the desired result. Now moving forward, we are able to read the information, but finally we need to store the information on the file system. Now how to do that is something which we will see in our next video. The length of the video is pretty high. I suppose you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.